and go live on Facebook and on Insta. How does he get any better than this? And how does he get any better? So, who wants to be the host? Because I just forget sometimes. Seeing anybody wants to be the host? Anybody would? Hey, what happened to this?
I don't mind what I will get the messages here, na, that coming people wants to join.
Ah,
Okay.
what happened? Why can't I? Where's my face? How do I turn it around? Okay, cool. Here you go. All right. So just making you, Mamta, host.
Yes.
Yes. You got it, Mamta? Have you got the information that you're the host?
Yes, God.
Awesome. So let's start. Today is the 6th July 2025, and we are at our Sunday fun aging call. Woohoo! Hi, Neera. Neera, why aren't you here? Why on Insta? Okay, anyway, just choice. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you, thank you. So, today's topic is control. And all the DJCCs and all the best juniors that we function from around control, with control, as control, and we make it wrong and we make it right. What if it wasn't right, and what if it wasn't wrong? What if it was a contribution? What if how else can you use that to your advantage? And everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and unkill it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, cock, all 100 shots, boys, pavas, basic equations, and beyonds. Hi, Betty. How are you feeling, darling?
Okay.
Good. How does it get any better than this? So, controlling. What do you all know about controlling? What is controlling to you? How many
Never
beyonds
consider
do you have about controlling? Yes, anybody?
never considered others' point of view.
Oh,
Stick to
interesting.
your own point of view. Yes, I am right. Self-righteousness. Self-rightness.
Okay. And if you weren't controlling, then who would you be?
I couldn't hear you. Yeah.
If you weren't controlling, people who don't control, who do they be?
Powerless.
So it's either or. Everywhere we are living in an either all universe, or we are powerful or we are doormats and powerless. Would you be willing to destroy and unkill it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, POVADs, basis, patience, and beyond. Everywhere we made controlling, dominating, manipulating, even destroying. Wrong. Would you be willing to destroy and unpaid all that shit? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, POVADs, basis, questions, and beyond. What if you could choose whatever works for you at that moment? Is it making any sense? Anybody else has any point of view about controlling? Do you control yourself, or you have made your mind so powerful that it controls you? It says, don't do this, don't do that, that shouldn't be done, this shouldn't be done. Even when your being is like, yes. Yes, Mamta?
No, somebody's joining. मैं उनको देख रही हूँ.
Acha, okay. Or you want to control, or you want to be like everybody else. You want other people to like you. You connect yourself to the collective mass. Would you be willing to speed through life at such a high rate that nobody could see you? Become invisible. There'll be so much of fun when you're not considered about, when you don't have any consideration about what the world will say, what would it create? Would you then control yourself so much?
Can I say something?
Go for it.
Okay. I had this intensity in my body, and I made a story about it. And the minute I controlled that story, that pain continued and continued, and then I kept saying, "What is this? What do I do with this?" But I wasn't listening. So eventually, I had the awareness that I should contact you, and it was like the middle of the night, and I did. And I said, "Oh yes," she said something about taking that pain and leaving it out there and turning some molecule. I couldn't quite remember what it was. So thank you so much for contributing towards my story and allowing me to release the stories I had and to release the pain, the intensity I had in my body. So every time it comes up, instead of making that story that I had, I just take that pain, like you said, and leave it out there and turn 8 molecules at a time. And it works. Can I ask a question after this?
Sure,
But how do
it. Go for it.
Okay, how do I completely get this intensity out of my body? Not like getting it and releasing it every time.
If you didn't make it relevant,
Mm-hmm.
wind comes, the rain comes, the heat comes. People say, "Oh, it's very hot. I don't like summers. Oh, it's very cold. I don't like winters." And then you
Yes, we
buy
do.
into that, and then you allow it to come. The less you go into thought, feeling, and emotions, and the less you create anything as significant, the less your mind can control you.
Great. Thank you so much.
So it's not about making anything wrong. And
Mm-hmm.
everything that's coming to you, second, if everything that's coming to you, maybe it's a contribution. Maybe it's a gift. If you're willing to receive everything, and then
Mm-hmm.
ask a question or do whatever is required for you to do, either turn 8 or 10 or one molecule, or you can tell it to go out. There are a million different tools that we have. Which one is required to use when? You would know.
Correct. Perfect.
If you are doing 10 different things in your life at the same time, you
Mm-hmm.
can't be controlled because your mind cannot do multitasking.
Oh,
You can't be controlled, you can't be contained, you can't be stopped. You are in constant state of creation and extrapolation. And that is what it will disconnect you from your mind, from that 24/7 story that's running in your head,
yes.
because it can't compute that many things at the same time from one source. One at a time, like this reality says, do one thing one at a time. Your mind will never let you do that thing the way anything differently. You will keep looping into the same thing. But when you're doing 10 things, when you're having your class in the morning, and when in the morning you gave your dogs food, and you walked into your vegetable garden and picked up the vegetables, and then you had a bath, and then you cleaned your room, and then you have a class in the afternoon, in the evening, and you are also entertaining the person who has come here, and you're arranging everything, foods and drinks and all that. Can your mind compute? Have you seen when you're busy, your things get done like this?
Yes, and you don't come up with any stories in your head about this intensity. That's why it's there. That's why it's there. So it's perfect. You make absolute total sense. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. As long as, like you said, as long as you're just doing one and choosing, not like a mechanic, not like a machine, but like a choice. Oh my God, I've got to do this now. Now I can do that. You you can't be connected to this anymore. And
And then you make
everything that brought up for everybody, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, all 100 shots, boys, bad, basic questions and beyond. So what's happening? I think my charge is gadbad ho raha hai. Just give me 1 minute. My phone was not. I should have checked that. Okay. Yes, Betty, you were asking a question?
actually was you make total sense, because when I lay in the bed, then that intensity is like huge because I'm only focusing on that intensity. But when I get up and I start moving and start making my life happen and start doing things, that intensity completely leaves me.
Exactly.
Multitasking is amazing. Yes, you make total sense there. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, because I kept saying, why do I get this intensity when I lay here? And then all I'm doing is focusing on that thing instead of getting up.
There is no why, my love.
Yes.
Why is not a question.
Question. Yes. It's a loop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So,
control. Thank you so much, Betty, for asking your question and for acknowledging. Because when you acknowledge, you create, always create greater.
yes.
What's happening? Anyway, I am not going to bother. If anybody can be on Facebook, and welcome. Otherwise, we are on our Zoom. Okay, guys. So, what else? Anybody else has any questions about controlling? Yes, Mamta.
Kapil, what I felt ki when we are controlling others, somewhere or some place we are stopping our freedom also.
Brilliant. Yes. Yes. You make that little thing so significant that it twists and turns and churns you. You are in constant state of क्या करूं तो ये होगा, वह करूं, इसको ऐसे करूं, इसको वैसे करूं. What if you just let go and ask a simple question? Hey, what energy, space, consciousness can I be to have total clarity and ease in all of this? If you function from the non-contextual reality, this is contextual reality, ऐसे करो तो वैसे करो, इसको करो, you know. If you function from the non-contextual reality universe, you can actually control everybody. Everybody who is functioning from contextual reality. Because they live in judgment non-stop. You can use their generator to generate the change you're looking for. For people, it's all about they can avoid losing. Since they are concentrating on not losing, they lose. And see what is a different way for you to function that would give you more of who you are. Hi, Sandy Pam. Been missing you, darling.
Yeah, hello. I was
We
missing
like to have all energies.
and I was like, just I woke up and I was like, hey, today there is a class about control. Facing so many issues around it. Because it
My
seemed like,
Insta's gone dead.
oh Lord.
Never mind. Go for it.
So I was like, I am like, the way things were flowing, it seemed like I had to control. And then I was not feeling light about it. It was too much of work. And I am like, इतना काम जिंदगी में किया नहीं. I am not liking it because at the end of the day, you are going there, or even getting a cab was a problem to the airport. And I was like, this has never happened with me. That I am not getting a cab on time. And I was like, what is going on? What am I trying to control? And I was like, I'm not going to use my head. I'm just running the clearance. I ran the body clearance and the clearance that I had. And then I got the cab. Then again, airport mein jaake there was some sort of issue. So everywhere I was facing issue, I was like, I'm trying too much.
You
Yeah,
need
so I was
to
like,
you need to recognize you are cute, not bright. If you stop trying to prove to that you are bright, then you come out of judgment of yourself. Then you come out of judgment of what's happening. Then you come out of the judgment of everything. And then you just ask a question. Simple 4
That-
questions. What is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it? Are you willing? And you have seen when you are in question, things just get done like that.
I'll share a case about my passport.
Go
So
for it.
I got my address changed. It all started with the passport. And I was like, hey, I'm looking for these. I paid someone.
Can you
to
make
fill
it
up
little louder? Only I can't hear it, or everybody else can't hear it.
Am I
आवाज
not
clear
audible?
नहीं है. Your आवाज is, I mean, your sound is not clear.
Your diction is not clear.
Yeah.
Now am I audible?
Yeah. Yes, you are.
So I was I was supposed to renew my passport with a new address, and everything was correct. And I was like, okay, let's go ahead and do it. And then the police thingy became too much of work. It was going from that police station to that police station. मतलब उसने ना 6 पुलिस स्टेशन वो घुमा है मेरा पासपोर्ट का फाइल. And I was like, okay, I have to follow up with them. I have to do something about it. And That time I forgot to ask a question, and that time I started to go around and I think, oh, I have to control this because if I don't get it, then it will be a problem because that is an
See, you
important
what, with
document.
your point of view, you create a problem. It will be a
Correct. And
problem.
yes, 3 weeks लग गए पता है 5 दिन में होने वाले काम 3 weeks लग गए.
So I'll tell you, day before, yes, 3 days back, Ina wanted to, on her birthday, second, she wanted to leave, she wanted to go for a solo trip to 3, 4 places, right? And she said she'd take a car and drive down. She wanted to go to Bir, Dharmshala, McLeodganj, and things like that. And she got the car, and the car guy wanted to see her license, if she had a license. He didn't want to give his car just like that. When he saw the license, the expiry date was March. And she asked question. That evening, for the next day, she'd gone for the car. That evening, she went and registered her this thing online with the help of a guy who just popped up because she asked a question. Next morning, she got the license. And on the license, everything had to be changed. The address had to be changed. The husband had to be changed because she's a divorcee now. All that had to be changed. Everything got changed. And he said the paper, you can take this paper and you can drive. This is the license will come in 7 days at your place. How cool is that? Just ask questions and you can control the world. In how to become money, it is you are the power, you are the creativity, you are the awareness, you are control. Because you
Those
control
5
with your
statements.
ask every molecule on the planet to dance and be your slave. And everywhere you're not choosing that, would you be willing to destroy and unkid it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, popcorn, all 100 shots, boys, Provaz, basis, creations, and beyond. Hi, Ruxana, come on the Insta live. Oh, sorry, you're on the Insta live. Come on this. My battery went off, so the Insta live went off, but now it's on. I kept a charge. And now this one isn't on. Facebook isn't on. What do you do when things like this happen in your life? When you have so many things to do and you forget one. I'm not going to make myself wrong for that.
Kaval, what I felt in my life was when I'm controlling others, it is my own reflection
Exactly.
inside me, and that is making me control others. It's a pattern inside my body.
Exactly, girl. You hit the nail on the head. Change the way you look at things, the things you look at start to change. Yes, Neera.
Hi, Kaval.
Hi.
Eventually, I did come on Zoom. You pulled my energies because Insta
No,
बंद हो गया.
I pulled your energy. Also, Insta live went off.
Yes, वही तो मैं कह
तुम
रही
कहाँ
हूँ.
जाओगे? फिर तो आना
Universe
पड़ेगा
को
नहीं
बोला.
यहाँ.
So my question, I had put it on Insta, which didn't reach you, but the question you anyways answered, but I still want to ask you. You can throw so much light on it. So my question was, though we all deeply know it, but I still want to know more about it. Is that when we talk about control, okay? So what is the major difference between our control, like Mamta is talking about, मेरे को ये करना है वो करना है, that's fabulous, we all do that, and between the control by giving the control to the universe? Both are controls, but what is the major difference? You said it so beautifully a few minutes ago, but still, could you throw more light on it, please?
Yeah, sure. You see, when you in what I understood from how to become money was that you are not functioning alone. When you're doing control here on this planet, according to this planet, you are choosing to be controlled, that you can control the world. When you are in sync with who you truly be, you are the universe. then you don't separate yourself, then you wouldn't be controlling each and every person, but you will be in control of everything, with each and every molecule functioning with you, along with you, in sync with you, in communion with you.
Wow, so beautifully said. So
You
you,
see,
a
this
sense,
control that we do
yeah.
is I am control over somebody. Hey, don't move. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, you're disturbing this one. Hey, And that control is that allowing everything, receiving everything, and if it's not working for you, asking a question, hey, what else can I change here? What else that I'm not, can I have that? What would it take for this to be His joy, glory? Now you are in control. Universe is listening, each and every molecule is listening. Say, they all get to work in sync with you. That is what it's the word there. Then the universe becomes, or the world becomes, your slave. I
Is
hope,
it
Thank you.
I
Thank
hope
you.
that helped.
Kaval, is it
Good.
surrender to the universe?
Surrender in other words is कि मैं तो कुछ नहीं कर सकती. And yet it is surrendering, knowing that to
Universe will do
something,
the best.
along with me.
Yeah, or universe will do the best.
Or
Or whatever is
I'll be
doing, God will
guided.
do.
I'll be guided. I know I'll be guided. I know I'll get the awareness. I know if I ask. But if I go, I know it, then you are functioning from this, and that is very limited. I know it. Like I know it is like I know the whole universe is behind me, and this can be done with total ease. There's no separation, there's not making anything wrong. It's just going for it because you know it. There is very thin line between every word, What would you like your life to look like? And how do you think you will create that? Do you know that true creation is the ability to be one with the communion with all things? What do I mean by that? To be willing to receive all things and never be the energy of refusing or judging or condemning. Receiving it all. And that also doesn't mean becoming a doormat. That means seeing things as they are, buffet laid out. What would you choose? You have total choice. You have to get that everything is a choice.
मुझे एक और मतलब I also think that even in the How to Become Money book, I guess it is there that we actually build मतलब most of the time we try to build our life around the words like we want this, we need this, मेरे को passport की need है, it is an important document, it is a need, मेरा desire है मुझे बाहर घूमना है इसलिए मुझे passport चाहिए, I want the passport because I want to travel out, right? मेरे को मतलब देयर इज आल्सो एस्पेक्ट ऑफ ग्रीड, अरे पासपोर्ट होगा तो बाहर कभी भी मौका मिले तो जा सकते हैं, नो. सो दिस थिंग्स दैट वी दिस आर ऑल नथिंगनेस ना, मतलब इट इज नॉट अबाउट चॉइस, इट इज मोर अबाउट अ थिंग दैट वी आर ट्राइंग टू हैव अ रियलिटी वहां पे. दिस वर्ड्स एक्चुअली, जहाँ तक मुझे याद आ रहा है, दिस वर्ड्स एक्चुअली इम्प्लाई नॉट एनफ, राइट? सो एंड देन हम लोग कंट्रोल को एज कंट्रोल को नॉट इनफ के साथ ये कर दे रहे, लाइक इक्वेट कर दे रहे.
बड़ा समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. What if you didn't have to understand? What if you didn't have
हाँ,
to figure out? What if you were not vested in it? Hey, somebody talked about having a uh, passport. Oh, how does he get any? I get my passport. Universe, can I have it? As simple as that. इसके लिए उसके लिए नहीं, ऐसे नहीं, वैसे नहीं, ये कंट्रोल है, ये नहीं है. You get the energy. Follow the energy. The energy will tell you, are you funked up or weird? Not weird. Weird I love. But where are you controlling? Where are you? What if you were okay? What if you were willing to choose the adventure which is totally out of control?
The heart started to palpitate.
And everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? And what is out of control? How can I just let my life be out of control? Every morning, get up and body. What would you like to do today? What needs my attention today?
Hey, I forgot to say I lost 5 kgs, Kamal.
In that being you
Thank you
class?
so much.
In that body class?
Body class. After the body class, I got a connection with a person who allowed me to have a. But he was also access facilitator, and he was like, we will do it for a month, and we used to do clearings every day about whatever reverse, and then there was the and interestingly, he actually the way he guided me and facilitated it, that what happened is like the body से जब हम लोग सुनते नहीं है ना क्लास करें फिर क्लियरिंग तो हम लोग बैकग्राउंड में चला के छोड़ देते
So
हैं.
the topic was body talk. Do you listen?
Correct. Body talk. Do we listen? And then literally he was there, and obviously the clearings were there. Your class was the starting point of it, and then I started to listen to my body. It was so nice that okay मेरे को खा के अगर now I do it very simple. If I take a food, I want to have it, I take a little bit of it, put it in my tongue. If I am having saliva, I am going to have it. If I am not, I am going to know I will not have it. I'll just throw it out and it is fine.
You want to say saliva, you say orgasm.
That is actually orgasm, but I didn't want to use the word. But yeah, that is orgasm, you know. अगर आ रहा है मजा तो और उसी टाइम पे आता है. And I also found out that with respect to
And also, and can I add something?
yes, please.
And also stop. It's not like I can have it and then I can go on having it. It's like a food.
और वो अपने आप स्टॉप हो जा रहा है.
हाँ.
Now I don't have to wait for myself to bring someone like a parent
Exactly.
डंडा मार के बोलेगा स्टॉप कर. अभी
Exactly.
उतना जाता ही नहीं है. बॉडी इज लाइक इतना हो गया बस. उससे ज्यादा नहीं जा रहा है. एंड एट टाइम्स उससे ज्यादा भी जाता है. बॉडी को चाहिए तो जाता है.
You start
What is wrong
listening
in
to
that?
them. Yeah.
And another thing that very beautifully happened is like look, I lost weight is wonderful, and then I was like, matlab, how did that happen? I never thought that it would be so easy. I was like, ये class मुझे फिर से करना है, time कहाँ है, ये वो. I was so much into thought, and but then it happened, and I am like, hi, this is so nice.
That's how when you choose, things start to keep showing
Yeah.
up and it becomes ease, joy, glory. It's not an
And this
effort
time I was
anymore.
not even trying to control. I found out that whenever an emotion was coming up, whenever a feeling was coming up, and I was not willing to be in question with the feeling, I used to mug up food so that I tab jaye wo, matlab that gets suppressed. And nowadays I'm like, yeah, if it is anger, I anger by. We will sit with it. Okay, you want to sit with it? Let's sit for 10 seconds. Or chahiye or 10 seconds. So that is the way.
Awesome.
Abhi it is happening automatically. It is not like that, teacher की तरह डंडा.
Awesome. How does it get any better than this? And what else is possible? Brilliant, you. Okay, anybody else has any question about control?
Well, our next topic can be body, listen to body, I mean, body talk and then listen. We can have that topic.
Yeah, we can have that topic. Actually, we had a 10-day class and people got a lot of change in there. So
Yeah.
many other people have also come back and acknowledged that they are their bodies have changed and lost weight and things like that.
So beautifully Sanpen explained it. Thank you. Yeah.
You're welcome. So next week topic is listen. Bodies listen. Bodies talk. Do you listen? Okay. So,
Wow.
no more. Bye-bye. Thank you. We've done. Why
No.
are you there? Eternity healer. Hi, Gitu. Hello, Rana. Welcome, guys. So, control.
At times, I guess you have already discussed it, but still I'm asking. At times, we feel that our parents are trying to control us. So at that particular moment, what should we ask?
Question. Hey, is that control or is that and even if they are trying to control you, it is working for you or not? Why make anything wrong? They will do, people will do what they do best. They will choose it. वो एक बड़ा क्यूट है उसने but you know there's this girl I was looking for on Insta. She has one-liners which are so beautiful, you know. Very cute little thing she is, and she says वो आए क्या किसी ने कुछ कहा आपके पास फेंका आपने लिया नहीं, आपको दिया आपने लिया नहीं, किसी ने कंट्रोल किया आपको आपने लिया नहीं, तो किसका हुआ? हमारे कोई बोलते थे somebody gives you a gift and you don't take it, whose is it? Why are you making it wrong? If it is working for you, fine. If it's not working for you, ask, hey, what can I do about this? Don't go into contextual reality. Start living from non-contextual reality will give you total control. You don't want control over people. You want to control the entire universe with your energy. If you really want a different life, then you have to go beyond this reality, beyond this reality's way of functioning. That is what we are doing here, following access, using the tools. Using these tools, does it make us non-functional? In this reality, maybe at some places. And other places makes you highly functional. It gives you a level of control over others, which you don't even want to control. By just your, like Ina wore a very sexy dress and went to get her, she just asked the clothes what she wants to wear, and she wore a very sexy dress, halter neck and all, and she went to the license department. I was telling her I would have worn a salwar kameez. I would have worn a salwar kameez to go there. One, because people around. Second, because then they will say, old woman, abla nari. She says, I don't want to be an abla nari. She wore that. And she says, everybody was hovering around me. कोई मेरा पेपर ला रहा था, कोई मेरा वो काम कर रहा था, कोई मेरा वो काम कर रहा था. पहले I said, let me get attention from it. Then I was getting so much of attention, they wouldn't let me go. They kept talking to me. And then I said, okay, enough of that. Asked another question, enough of that. Can I get my work done? And they said, here is your license. How cool is that? Are you willing to do that? That was control. Are you willing to control? If you didn't make control bad, wrong, where will you be? When you try to control a situation, try to control a person, even try to control a future, it doesn't work. It's the out of control system that sets you up to create the future you really like to have. Because you have stopped trying to control it into existence. You allow it to be in existence. So ask, even if you don't understand. What would it take for me to be out of control, out of form, structure, significance, out of linearities, out of limitations, out of concentricities? With total ease, for all eternity. Run this. Everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, PUD, all 100 shots, boys, POVAS, basis, questions, and beyond. I have to keep everything under control. So it is the way I think it should look, it should be. Everybody else should be lined up. My ducks should be lined up. Like everybody else does in this reality. So nobody really judges me. See the agendas there? I need to know, I need to conclude, I need to define, I need to choose. Why? When you have the whole universe at your beck and call, why would you trouble yourself? Why you want everybody to get you? Why? Because you want to fit in. Why? I have a question for you. Do you people get you? Do you people understand you? First try that, yeah. Most people feel trapped. No, most people feel they don't have any
हम
choice.
चाहते हैं दूसरा हमें समझे. हम अपने आप को नहीं समझना चाहते.
Yeah. We ourselves are trapped. We think we don't have any choice. We live from thought, feeling, and emotion, and our head rules us. And all those thoughts, feeling, you're psychic, you're picking it up and making it your own, and you're giving all of them the power to control you. And what if you were out of control, out of definition, out of limitation, out of form, structure, significance, linearities, and concentricities with everything? Relationship, body, sex, whatever I have missed. Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, all 100 shots, boys, POVAD, basis, patience, and beyond. How much control, how much do you control yourself, guys? And if you run this process, it will unlock all the places where you are controlling yourself. So dynamic, it works so dynamically. It could be anything. It could be your job, it could be marriage, it could be anything. So what is control, guys? What do you think it is? I asked this question in the beginning also, but some people joined later. So what is control? What do you think it is? When you do it or others do it?
Can I say, like,
Yes, please go for it.
so when you said what is control, it came to me that, the world came to me like ऐसे कि it's unknown, right? So मेरे को वो unknown चीज अंदर से पसंद नहीं आई. मेरे को known चीजें चाहिए to control ना, ये ऐसे होना चाहिए, वो वैसे होना चाहिए, all that. So for me, that was what control is. And it's so beautiful that when you know you are the universe, what is there to control? You are whatever you would like to be. And ask, and here I'd like to give a very personal example. Like, normally I we have this point of view from this reality. If A has diabetes, like my husband has this jo bhi hai, so he has to follow whatever the norms and everything that are given by the doctor, right? And he's in such a stage he doesn't want to follow norms. तो मैं बीच बीच में कभी बोलती हूँ, ओ कभी चेक कर लो, कभी ये, and suddenly of course it came to my awareness, I'm trying to control him, I'm trying to control his whatever, वो अगर मैं वो चेक करेंगे तो वो ठीक रहेंगे, you know, all those points of views came up, and the minute I gave it up, I said he's an adult, he's not only adult, he's a super adult, he's 80 years old, let him do what he wants with his life. Who am I to even judge him? That was pure judgment, that वो अपनी दवाई नहीं ले रहे, वो अपना ये नहीं कर रहे. And I got the freedom, Kaval, and all the peeps out there, whoever, you get so much freedom when you are in. The energy that I was diverting there, I diverted inwards to
Yeah.
myself.
Yeah, so beautiful. Exactly. And we think that's love. We think that's caring. Caring is letting people do what they want, and freedom is infinite choice.
So true.
The
yeah.
reason we control anything or anyone is we are scared.
That was
We are
exactly.
scared if our life gets out of control. We will not be able to be the limited one. You know?
Yes.
Please come out of control.
Yeah, so Kaval, you're the fear. So when I pinpointed my points of views that had come here, I realized that I had this fear. Oh, he has to be healthy, okay? Oh, he has to live. You know, वो वाला fear आ गया. But what is fear? It's an invention, right? It's a
Exactly.
total invention.
Exactly.
So when I gave that invention, the fear up, like you so beautifully said, life is beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you for sharing that. That was lovely.
Thank you.
For me, control is feeling superior or inferior.
Exactly. Totally. Yeah. We were talking about it. You came late. And somebody said control is having control of everybody. And if somebody doesn't have control, then powerless. So there's either or universe. Either you make control wrong or you make control right, or you're powerful or you're powerless. No. It's a tool that you use when you require to use it to have what you desire. As easy as that. Do you require to have control here? Okay, then what can I use? What can I do? Ask a question, and the universe is with you. Then you can have it all. And everything doesn't allow you to be aware of where and when you require to be controlled and controlled. Both. Would you be willing to destroy and get it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, all, 100 shots, boys, provide basis, patience, and beyond. With anything that's not working for you, you have a choice. You have to ask a question. So never make dominating, manipulating, control, or even destroy wrong. Everything is, nothing is judged in consciousness. Out of control. Every morning, I'm going to say, out of control is what I wish to be. Out of control is never letting anybody else have control over me. When you're willing to be out of control, you don't even have to fight. Fight to not be controlled. Everything that brought up, would be willing to destroy and get it all right, wrong, good, bad, pop, all 100 shots, boys, provide basis, questions, and beyonds. We, like you said, we use limitations to control ourselves. You don't have to control yourself, just be out of control. Some people use relationships to keep themselves under control. मेरा हस्बैंड को नहीं अच्छा लगता, मैं ये करूंगी तो वो ठीक हो जाएगा, मैं ये कर, we give up so much of ourselves, control ourselves to keep the relationship. If the relationship has to go, it will go. If it has to stay, it will stay. It's not about you. Guys, it's 9 o'clock dot. And when you, last thing, when you have control in any area on you or anybody else, or do you get to be you? How much fun is that for you? It's more fun to be out of control.
Yeah, so true. Cover out of control. और if you like you said किसी और को अगर हम कंट्रोल करते हैं तो हम उसकी रियलिटी में घुस जाते हैं.
बिल्कुल, फिर अपने
तो
आप को
हमारी
भी कंट्रोल कर रहे हो ना.
हाँ, तो हम उसकी रियलिटी. So what about our own reality? And we make them so significant.
What are you
that we are-
talking about, Neera? Who has their own reality? Who knows that they can have their own reality?
So true.
When you make anything more valuable, even when you make your kids more valuable, they get to control you. How many people have you allowed to control you? To at least to steal your almost your soul, because you have made them more valuable. Everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and get it all right, wrong, good, bad, pop-put, all 100 shows, boys, provide basic questions and beyond. किसी ने जोर से निच मारी and made it true. Don't let people control you. And don't control people in like this reality. Have your own reality. Be you and change the world. That's controlling, isn't it? Awesome. Any last burning question anybody has before we close up?
Yes.
Go for
I
it.
don't know if it's a burning question or no, but
Late comer, go for it.
I will listen to it fully. So,
I
when
want to
we
see your face when you ask a question. You're not allowed to ask a question when you don't show your face.
next time, please.
No, come on, show your face. Come on.
I just got
Beautiful you are. I know you're beautiful.
next time, definitely, please.
All right.
Sorry.
Whatever you're going to ask, you're not going to get because you're already hiding.
Already?
You're already hiding. You're not
I
there in
can't
the
hear.
equation. And when whatever you ask, it will go to other people who are not hiding. It will not come to you.
Are
They
you
will not
muted?
find you when they come, or when that thing comes, or that choice, that question that you're asking, the awareness of that question comes, it won't find you because you are closed. You are hiding. Okay, go for it. You can't hear? Is your computer not working? See, that one also doesn't want to work. It is. I can't see it's muted.
You just said that she will not have the awareness. काम करना
Even
बंद
the
कर
universe, net ने भी काम करना बंद कर दिया because उसने कहा तुम दिखाना तो चाहते नहीं, तो मैं क्या बोल रहे क्वेश्चन करना. Her hand is up, but she's not asking a question. So what do we do? How can
You
we
can still
give up
write it in the
fear?
chat.
How can we give up fear by minding that causes control? How can we give up fear by mind that causes control? Brilliant question. But you couldn't even say it. You're double hiding. How are you going to get the answer, awareness of that?
She's not there.
Yeah, she's not there. How can we give up fear? Anybody here wants to answer that? Fear by mind that causes control. I think we have done that. Many people
Yeah, we had
many
done
people have shared that.
fears.
Mind
Yeah.
is the one which controls you. If you're not functioning from the mind and you're functioning from the communion with the universe, then you can have it all.
And also cover like fear invention है, झूठ है, total lie है.
बिल्कुल
है ही नहीं, हमने ही उसको पैदा किया, हमने ही उसको क्रिएट किया, हमने ही वरी शरी वो सब ड्रामा वो सब हमने खुद किया.
बिल्कुल. That's
So
this
you're willing to give
reality's
it
way
up?
of controlling you.
Yeah, so if you want to give it up, give it up. You want to keep it, keep it.
As easy
नहीं.
as that.
Yeah, अगर रखना है तो रख लो. Nothing is wrong even with that. Even with having fear, it's okay. Live with that. Enjoy that fear in the end and blame it on others कि बाकियों ने create किया, खुद ने किया. Right?
I have something to share.
And 1 minute. Where is that coming from? Anything that's coming about fear or anything is coming from your mind, and you're the one who has put it there. And when you want to change it, mind doesn't like it. Mind doesn't like anything new. It keeps telling you, I don't like it, I don't like it. And le lo. So the logical mind is anyway. I've got the train has left. Yes, Hemlata.
So I want to share one thing. So I was in like in those in my job time, I was always like check बीमार भी हो जाओ तो 10 बजे ऑफिस पे रहना है, 7 बजे तक बैठना है. I did it throughout, man. That was the biggest pressure. When yesterday I told my sister that I want to come out of it, she said, "Why were you in it? I never told you कि तुमको 7 बजे ही रहना है." वो मैंने तो कभी आज तक देना रियलाइज कि yeah, she never told कि तुमको nobody was taking my attendance or nobody was doing anything, but that was my fear कि मुझे वहां पहुंचना ही पहुंचना है, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, गाड़ी भगाओ, ट्रैफिक में कुछ भी करो, मतलब
everywhere you have to prove your existence.
Yeah, so that was my fear.
Yeah.
And it was never her perception also. It was never in her thought also.
Yeah.
And I tortured myself for 16 years for that.
Imagine.
And
And now you're given resignation. How does he get any better than this? And what else is possible? And we are the ones who do that, and they don't even ask. We deserve the money. We have to prove that we are good, and especially if you're working for your family.
Yeah.
Everything that brought up, would be willing to destroy and get it all right, wrong, good, bad, pop, but all 100 shots, boys, bad, basic, patience, and beyond. I hope this was a contribution, and I'm so grateful for each one of you showing up.
Hello.
Thank you so much.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
Thank you
Namrata,
so
your
much.
question we read, and it is many people have answered that in the call. Please, would you want to listen to it?
Yeah. Because I was not able to hear you.
Must be some. Even the internet didn't want you to hear me because you were hiding. See how the universe works.
I just woke up and I just came.
You woke up. You're looking more beautiful than you ever did. And now, when you dressed up, how would you look? My God, killer. So,
Yes.
Namrata, you will get your answer. Many people have answered that.
I was not well. I'm better now.
You're better now. How does it get any better than this? And what else is possible? Love you guys. Bye-bye.
I'll get
Bye,
that.
bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.